Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, according to the given question, it was given the PDF f of x is equal to 42x power 5 into 1 minus x for 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 otherwise. This is given in the A bit. We have to find the CDF. Capital F of x is equal to integral 0 to x 42 into t power 5 minus t power 6 into dt. By integrating we get 42 into t power 6 by 6 minus t power 7 by 7 to the limits 0 to x. So by substituting we get 7x power 6 minus 6x power 7. This is for x 0 less than x less than 1, and now for x greater than or equal to 1, f of x value will be integral 0 to 1 f of t dt plus integral 1 to x 0 into dt, which is equal to 7 t power 6 minus 6 t power 7. 0 to 1 is the limits, which is 1. So from this we can write the CDF of x. Capital F of x is equal to 0 for x less than or equal to 0 and 7x power 6 minus 6x power 7 for 1, 0 less than x less than or equal to 1 and 1 for x greater than 1. So this is the required CDF. The corresponding graph will be the x and y axis. So here the graph is drawn. So from here the points are plotted. Now in the B bit we have to find the probability value of x less than or equal to 0.6, that is f of 0.6. From above, by substituting 7 into 0.6 whole power 6 minus 6 into 0.6 whole power 7. So that will be equal to 0.1586. In the C bit, to find the probability that 0.3 less than x less than or equal to 0.6, that is f of 0.6 minus f of 0.3. By substituting we get 0.1548. Now in the D bit we have to find the percentile value. So here x will be denoted as 75th percentile. Then probability of x less than or equal to x will be 0.75. That implies 7 into x power 6 minus 6 into x power 7 minus 0.75 will be 0. So that can be written as minus 6x power 7 plus 7x power 6 minus 0.75 will be 0. This is the polynomial equation with degree 7, so it cannot be calculated directly. So by graphical, either by graphical or numerical method, we can calculate. So from that we can say, from their methods x will approximately 0.8620. This is the 75th percentile. Now in the E bit we have to find the mean and standard deviation. The mean expected value of x, that is integral 0 to 1 x into f of x dx. By substituting we get integral 0 to 1 42 x power 6 into 1 minus x dx. By integrating we get 42 into x power 7 by 7 minus x power 8 by 8 for 0 to 1. That is 42 by 56. So which is equal to the value 0.75. Similarly, we calculate expected value of x square. We get expected value of x square will be 7 by 12. Now variance x sigma x square will be expected value of x square minus expectation of x whole square, that is 7 by 12 minus 0.75 whole square. So which is equal to the value 1 by 48. So the standard deviation sigma x will be square root of 1 by 48. So that will be equal to 0.1443. This is the standard deviation. Now in the F bit we have to find the probability of within x is more than 1 standard deviation. That means mod x minus 0.75 greater than 0.1443. So which can be written as probability of x less than 0.6057 plus probability of x greater than 0.8943. So that can be written as 1 plus f of 0.6057 minus f of 0.8943 by substituting 1 plus 0.1662 minus 0.8943 8943. Here it is 8360, so which is equal to the value which is equal to 0.3302. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.